Hi everyone, my name is Andre John and welcome to Play Drums the Easy Way. So the last video, we actually look at, as I call it, Jamaican DJ style drums. So one of the things we're going to be doing now is playing it from the hi-hat here. All right, so we're going to go over those 4 beats, and then we're going to go to the hi-hat. All right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the foundation. Alright, so we're going to play from up here on the hi-hat. So you play. Feel the rhythm. Right. Thank you so much for joining. Right. Go over these beats over and over, and I guarantee you will become better and better at it. All right. So thank you for joining. Remember to subscribe. Thank you so much.